Hello students, today we will start topic cycles. Okay, so we have completed Pinus male cone, female cone. Today cycles. So cycle is also known as living fossil. Living fossil. Why? Because it possesses extinct character of pteridosperm and cycads. Okay, this we have discussed कि ये जो साइकिल्स जो होते हैं इसको लिविंग फॉसिल, क्योंकि इसमें जो ऐसे करेक्टर्स पाए जाते हैं टेरिडोस्पर्म के एंड cycads के. Okay, and where it grow warmer condition. Okay, just like Pinus grow in hill station, hilly areas, colder area, it grow in warmer condition. And what about stem? Stem is caudex. Caudex here and branch. And branch here it's like, so caudex and branch is like, suppose this is cycles, it is and branch. Okay, now next, leaves. So leaves are of two types, foliage and scaly leaves. Leaves two types, foliage and scaly leaves. What foliage leaves? What is the features of foliage leaves? They are green. Okay, perform photosynthesis. And they are pinnately compound. Pinnately compound leaves are there. Okay, and scaly leaves, they are brown in structure. Okay, brown color, and they cover the stem. ये पूरे stem को cover की रहती है. Okay, so specialty of scaly leaves, as a name suggests, it is hard, brown structure covering the stem. Reproduction. They are dioecious. Pinus is monoecious, and here in this case it is dioecious. So dioecious means male and female reproductive structure are separate. Okay, so there will be a male tree and female, and it will produce, the male will produce microsporophyll. Here microsporophyll is formed. Microsporophyll, we have learned what is that leaves which produces microsporangia पाया जा रहा है. Microsporangia के अंदर spores, that is pollen grains. Similar, in this case, megasporophylls are formed. Megasporophylls form होते, but in this case, यहाँ पे क्या लिखते हो? Separate. Okay. But in this case, there is no cones. In female, there will be no cones. No cones in female. And here the cones will produce. Okay, so in whole plant kingdom, मेगास्पोरोफिल में एग पाए जाएंगे, ठीक है। इन होल प्लांट किंगडम लार्जेस्ट मेल एंड फीमेल गैमेट्स आर फॉर्म। ओके, साइकस प्रोड्यूस लार्जेस्ट मेल एंड फीमेल gametes in whole kingdom and also largest ovule. It is, I am talking about in whole plant kingdom. So cycle produces the largest male and female gametes and largest ovule. Okay, what about wood? Gymnosperm wood, very important this point. In gymnosperm, wood is soft, but in case of angiosperm, the wood is very hard. Why? Because, remember, because gymnosperm lack xylem fibers. Okay, the structure of xylem fibers, vessels, tracheas will study in plant anatomy. So gymnosperm wood is soft because it lacks xylem fibers. Okay. Cycas. Now what about root? Root of cycas. They exhibit coralloid root. Very important. What do you mean by coralloid root? Contains coralloid roots. They contains nostoc and anabina. Okay, इनके roots में nostoc and anabina found होते हैं. That helps in fixation of nitrogen. और ये दोनों जो रहते हैं symbiotic association शो करते हैं. ओके, इसके रूट्स के साथ, साइकस के रूट्स के साथ, साइकस रूट्स के साथ नॉस्टॉक एंड एनाबिना दे शो अ सिम्बायोटिक एसोसिएशन, मतलब एक दूसरे को बेनिफिट पहुंचाते हैं. ओके, तो रूट में, साइकस के रूट में क्या पाए जाते हैं? नॉस्टॉक एंड एनाबिना ग्रो. ओके, and they show symbiotic association. With root tissue. And what is the function of nostoc and anabina? Fix nitrogen. Okay, they fix nitrogen. Okay, and the root is negatively geotrophic. One more, root is negatively geotrophic. And economic importance is what? The seed and they produce a sago, which is a rich source of starch. Okay, economic importance क्या है cycles? Seeds and stems of cycas yield sago. What is sago? It is starch, source of starch, which is starch, and is also called, new terminology, arrowroot. प्रोड्यूसेस सैगो, मतलब सीड और स्टेम साइकिल सैगो होती है. सैगो, व्हाट इज सैगो? इट इज स्टार्च, और हम लोग उसको क्या कहते हैं? एरो रूट. ओके, नाउ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट डिफरेंस साइकल्स एंड पाइनस. So cycas, their stem show monoxylic. Okay, monoxylic. Xylic. So what do you mean by the term monoxylic? So parenchymatous tissue is more and less amount of xylem tracheids. Okay. So much of parenchymatous tissue and less amount of xylem tracheids. Okay. So, and in this case Pinus, they show a pycnoxylic. Pycnoxylic. P for Pinus, P for pycnoxylic. So here it means less parenchymatous tissue. And large amount of xylem tracheids. Okay, so what will be the result? The result is the wood in case of Pinus will be the more strong and durable. Therefore, wood क्या होंगे? Strong and durable. And in this case, the wood less strong and durable. Okay. And parenchymatous cell is filled with starch grain. Parenchymatous cells जो रहती हैं, they are filled with starch grains. Okay, and in this case annual rings are clear. And in this case annual rings not clear. Okay. So this is all about cycles, and one more important thing about gymnosperm is endosperm is haploid. Haploid, it means N. ठीक है. But in case of angiosperm, very important, it is triploid. जो कोकोनट वाटर तुम लोग देखते हो ना, वो एंडोस्पर्म. अभी एंजियोस्पर्म का ओव्यूल पूरा एग स्ट्रक्चर एम्ब्रोसेक यू विल स्टडी, यू विल कम इन डिटेल. ओके, कि ये ट्रिप्लॉइड कैसे होता है. और एंजियोस्पर्म के केस में एंडोस्पर्म इज ट्रिप्लॉइड. दिस इज ऑल्सो अ डिफरेंस बिटवीन. इट इज 3N. कोकोनट वाटर जो देखते हो ना, तो वो एंडोस्पर्म होता है. इट इज ट्रिप्लॉइड इन नेचर और बहुत ही न्यूट्रिशियस होते हैं. एंड इन केस ऑफ जिम्नोस्पर्म, एंडोस्पर्म क्या होता है? हैप्लॉइड होता है. ओके, एक्चुअल में एंडोस्पर्म होता है क्या है, तो हमने एग्जाम्पल बताया दे. कोकोनट वाटर, जब मेल गैमीट्स तो एक एग के साथ फ्यूज करते हैं और एक और सेल होता है डिप्लॉइड, उसके साथ कंबाइन करके ट्रिप्लॉइड बन जाता है. 2N + N करके ट्रिप्लॉइड बन जाता है. And in this case it is endosperm is haploid. Okay, monoxylic is important. This term remember. Less parenchymatous tissue. Okay, the parenchymatous tissue is more and less parenchymatous tissue. Sago, arrowroot, fixed nitrogen, exhibit coralloid root. Important. Okay, and largest male and female gametes, and it is monoecious, and it is dioecious. Cycas is dioecious and Pinus is monoecious. पाइनस कहाँ, कोल्डर रीजन में ग्रो होते हैं एंड इट ग्रो इन वार्मर कंडीशन एंड इट इज ऑल्सो नोन एज लिविंग फॉसिल्स क्योंकि ये एक्सटिंक्ट कैरेक्टर शो करते हैं सैकेट्स एंड टेरिडोस्पर्म. ओके.